He gets pulled over on a Tuesday. Nothing dramatic. A tail light, maybe. Or just the wrong street at the wrong time. The officer walks up, asks for registration and insurance. He opens the glove compartment, and right there, sitting on top of everything, is a laminated emergency protocol sheet for a syndrome most people have never heard of. A hospital contact list. A medication summary folded twice because it won't fold any other way. His whole son's medical life, staring back at a stranger with a badge. In that half second, he runs the math that black fathers in this country have always had to run. How much do I explain? How fast? What does this look like if I reach in too quick? He hands over the registration. He keeps the rest close. Because that glove compartment holds two kinds of vulnerability at the same time. The kind the world sees, and the kind it never thinks to ask about. He drives home. He checks the laminated sheet. He does it again tomorrow.